Hey guys, I'm Scott and thanks for stopping by. Let's take a quick look at a guitar I wish I'd known about when I first started adding guitars to my collection, the Epiphone ES-339 P-90 PRO. The Epiphone ES-339s are slightly smaller versions of the 335s and to me are just more comfortable to play, and they're excellent performers. Epiphone is one of the original electric guitar manufacturers and since 1957 has been part of the Gibson family lineup, so sometimes it gets a little overlooked. The ES-339 for me lacks nothing, and one of the best parts is this model's twin P-90 pickups, which sound amazing. The ES-339 is incredibly beautiful looking, and the action is outstanding, making this guitar a joy to own and one of the gems of my growing collection of guitars. Hope you liked this quick look at the Epiphone ES-339 P-90 PRO. I'd love to hear what you think of it in the comments below. I'm Scott. See you next time.